to visit park after so long time with my best friend Ahana and mom and dad. In that park there's lots of beautiful flowers and trees and birds are there. You know, trees are an important part of our world. Trees breathe in carbon and breathe out oxygen. We breathe oxygen and save tree and save world. Do not cut tree. Please plant a tree in life.
Oh, I think there is fun.
Because my mom, you also have to get my mom. Okay. Get the mom. Let's go. Come on. It won't hurt her. You have to get up, mom. Yeah. Now we got you. She looks like a snowman. Yeah. Okay. Hi guys. We are doing this with my friend Weedy. Please. That was fun. Let's do it again. This is easy. Yeah. Let me do it on the top of bouncer. This is the top of level.
Come, both of you.
Let me check.
Hey, ज़्यादा मत तोड़ो. Don't.
ज़्यादा नहीं, just ease.
Show me.
Oh, beautiful leaf of it.
Yeah.
And that's my friend. Show your flowers to the camera. You want the leaf here? Whoa! And after we'll do the boat. Okay, after this phase, okay? There's even boating here. I love kids boating. Only kids allowed, no parents. Mama, you know that boat. Because we went on that boat all by myself. Can you stop? Then stop doing first. I want to get off. Put your legs.
They will run.
try to build more such park where we can play.